rock. Oh, I got this one. She found a rock and she brought it up into her car seat. She's licking it and flirting with it. Are you okay? Go ahead. There it is.
Get that rock, dog.
Oh. It looks like a piece of poop, but it's not.
Oh no. So
Wait, she's got to kick it up. It's funny when it moves, and she's like,
Stella, get that rock. Get it.
"Where's your rock? Huh? Where's your rock?"
She's like, I'm over it.
Are you bored?
Stupid bitch.
Stupid, boring rock.
Well, since nobody's stepping to me, take me to your cult leader.
Take me to your drug dealer.
Take me to the man.
Is she got it in her mouth?
Yeah, she keeps putting it in her mouth. It's dangerous.
M-U-N-E, never make my enemy public. I'm a private dancer, dancing for
Now she's
money.
rubbing off her body.
I think it must like smell like something that she
Oh
likes.
yeah, get it. Feel good.
Oh, she's rubbing her face on.
She's owning that rock.
You show that rock who's charged, Stella.
She's making out with it.
Get it out of your mouth. We don't play with rocks in our mouth.
Favorite radio station, the permanent paid vacation, burning her face in the